Everybody, I'm Kelly Dakota, and it is May 2019, which means we are finally here. It's a whole new world in Perfectly Posh. About a month ago, Posh told us about their big, huge, great idea for our brand new pay plan, and it is now in effect, and I am so excited. Now, if you want to get in on this, now's the time. Listen up. If you've paid attention to any of this in the past, you know that there was a $99 starter kit. Now there are two options, and one is a $30 starter kit. You can sign up as a Posh consultant, or as we're now known, Posh influencers, for just $30. That gets you some business tools to get started, it's free shipping, and it just makes you a Posh person forever, because there are no more sales minimums. You get paid instantly on every single order that comes through your free website, and it's as easy as that. Really. It really wasn't a whole bad system before, it's just even better. So you can join for $30. If the $99 has been holding you back, you've got the $30 option. And if you just, $99 isn't a big deal, but you'd rather pick and choose what products you're gonna start off with, you can start for $30 and then shop. And you'll already be a consultant, you'll already get your discount. I'll explain that in a second. So you join and then you shop and you get cash right back, right away. So you don't get your discount up front, but we get paid instantly. I mentioned that before. It's true. We get paid instantly. Most of the time, you just get it back into your account within minutes. And you even get a Posh debit card, so you can just transfer your money right to that card and use it right away if you need to. It's such an amazing, freeing thing. If you need money in a flash, if you have an emergency, if you need to earn some extra cash, share the Posh. As the orders roll in, cha-ching, 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 you get paid instantly. It's amazing. And we are the, or only one of the companies in our realm that does that kind of thing. Pretty awesome. Now there is the $99 kit. Both come with business tools, all the same business tools, including our Pampered reading cards, which are really great to help you learn about the products and to teach other people about the products. So if somebody tells you that they really want deep cleaning products and detox their skin, you just pick up the detoxifying card, flip it over, it shows them what's recommended for their face and body and feet. And then you can just head over to the website to read a whole lot more about these. Or you can pull out your beautiful catalog and show them from there. That's one old big product right there, but there's a whole bunch. You also get some cards. This explains the pay plan front and back, and you get another set of cards about joining, because as you grow your sphere of influence, you can also earn money on the sales of people that sign up with you, which is really cool. And you earn more than ever, starting at 10% back. That's crazy good. So you get all of that. It's free shipping on that kit if I didn't mention it already. And the $99 kit comes with all of that stuff, plus a couple more things, some notepads, stuff like that, a pin, a Perfectly Posh pin. Oh, and it includes a $10 yearly fee. That is the only thing you need to stay active. There are no sales minimums, there are no requirements or quotas at all. The only thing that you need to do to stay active with Posh and keep that discount for yourself is pay $10 a year. And it's totally worth it, because with that, you get 2 free shipping coupons. Shipping costs $5.99, so basically that's $12. You pay $10 to be active, and you get 2 free shipping coupons worth $12. So it just pays for itself. It's really not a big deal. It's basically, the fee is there to run that debit card hyper wallet program, okay? So you get some products. This one's in my hand now. You get, in May, the Brazilian Bombshell Soapy Bar. You get the Sassiuma Body Jelly, like a shower gel. It's this bright orange color. It smells amazing. It really brightens you up. This citrus scent just makes your day. And then after your shower, you can lotion up with some best-selling, one of our top-selling, like oldest, whatever products, Honey, in a beautiful updated new tube. And this is not just a lotion, it is so amazing for actually like healing fine micro tears in the skin, soothing eczema, all that kind of stuff. This is a really good lotion. It smells like honey lemon, like very, very bright and sweet. We got lots of summery stuff going on in this kit. You get a Show Me What You're Made Of, big fat yummy hand cream, just a pea size of this. If you've never used our hand cream, you're missing out. This is a juicy melon and coconut scent. It's just makes your hands feel like velvet, not greasy at all. And you get the healer stick. I can't find one with the new packaging. This is the old label. It's still basically the same. Well, it's the same thing. We just got an updated label on it now. But the healer stick is shea butter base and has vanilla and orange and other essential oils in it. And it's just super nourishing for dry skin, cuts, scrapes, burns, all that kind of stuff. Everybody needs a healer stick or more than one. And you get samples. You get 20 BFF, 20 Moisturized 911. These are two of our best-selling facial products, and these are actually the two that, unless otherwise requested, I give every new person I talk to. If somebody hasn't tried Posh before, they get these from me, so it's really exciting for me that these are in the kit. You get all of that in the $99 kit, plus all those extra business tools. It ships for free, which is really cool, and that's new. They used to be $9 shipping. Both kits ship for free, and you also earn 50 PV on the $99 kit, which is a new thing as well. You used to not earn any PV on the kit, and PV means personal volume, which means your sales totals for the month. So you start off with $50 PV, and you earn commission on that. How great is that? If you are military, active military, retired, a spouse, if you go to id.me, which is the website, it's not .com, it's .me is the end of it. Go to id.me and verify yourself as a military person, and you can get a discount on the kit. How cool is that? It's very cool. So I think that's all I need to share with you. Please let me know if you have any questions. I'll put my info in the description, and I will put a link so you can get this stuff. Put a link to it. I am here to help you. If you sign up with me, this is my job. It's my full-time job. I love helping people get their businesses off on the right foot, whether you want to sell a little or a lot. I can easily show you how to earn a certain amount of money every month. Like if you need $200, I can show you how to do that. If you need $600, I can show you how to do that, especially now that we have this easy to understand new pay plan. So sign up at poshwithkelly.com, click join, there's a link down there, and that's all I've got for you. One more thing, they have told us the kits won't be changing a whole lot month to month. This one's very summery, but you might see this month after month in the summer, so it's really no holding out to see what's coming next month. I'm sure in the fall things might change a little bit to more fall scents, but that's about it. I would love to have you on board, and I hope to talk to you soon. Bye.